வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போது 7th ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்மில் உள்ள புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் சிவிக்ஸ் அண்ட் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ். லெசன் நேம் ஈக்வாலிட்டி, பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டிஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ஸ். யூனிட் 1 ஈக்வாலிட்டி லெசன்ஸில் உள்ள புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். Choose the correct answer. Which one of the following does not come under equality? Answer D. Showing inequality between rich and poor. Second one. Which one of the following comes under political equality? Answer A. Right to petition the government and criticize public policy. In India, right to vote is given to all the citizens at the age of 18. Option B. Inequality created by man on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. is called as dash. Man-made inequality. Option B. Fifth one. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in the year 1971. Option B. Fill in the blanks. Civil equality implies equality of all before dash law. Answer. Second one. The Indian Constitution deals about the right to equality from Article 14 to Article 18. Right to contest in the elections is a dash right. It is a political right. Equality means absence of dash privileges. Answer. Social importance. Unit 2 political parties book back questions பார்ப்போம் friends. Choose the correct answer. What is mean by BI party system? What is mean by biparty system? Biparty system means option C. Two major political parties contest election. Second one. Which system of government does India have? Answer C. Multi-party system. 3. Recognition of a political party is accorded by option A. Election Commission. Fourth one. Political parties are generally formed on the basis of option B. Common interest. Fifth one. Single party system is found in dash. Option D. China. Fill in the blanks. Dash form the backbone of democracy. Answer. Political parties. Every party in our country has to register with dash. Election Commission. Third one. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the dash and dash, citizen and executives. A registered but dash political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. Answer. Unrecognized. Fifth one. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of dash, cabinet minister. Match the following. Democracy, rule of the people, election commission, free and fair election, majority party, forms of government, opposition party, criticize the government policies. Assertion. Appropriate answer. First one. Which one of the following statement are correct? Every party in a country has to register with the election commission. B. The commission treats all the parties equality. C. Election commission allots a separate symbol for recognized parties. Option. Answer D. All the above. Assertion. Reason. Assertion. Majority party plays a decisive role in making laws for the country. Reason. The number of candidates elected is more than the other in the election. Answer A. Or is the correct explanation of A. Students, இப்போ எக்கனாமிக்ஸில் யூனிட் 1 ப்ரொடக்ஷன் லெசனுக்குரிய புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். Choose the correct answer. Production refers to option B. Creation of utilities. Utilities are in the nature of dash. Form utility, time utility and place utility. Answer D. All of this. 3. Dash is carried out by extractive industries. Answer B. Primary production. Fourth one. Primary factors are option C. Land and labor. Fifth one. The entrepreneur is also called option C. Organizer. Fill in the blanks. Dash means one satisfying power of a product. Answer. Utility. Derived factors are dash and dash. Investment and party. Dash is a fixed in supply. Answer. Land. Dash the human input into the production process. Efficiency. Fifth one. Dash is the man-made physical goods used to produce other goods and service. Answer. Investment. Match the following. Primary production, fishing and mining, time utility, stored for future, wealth of nation. Adam Smith. human capital, education and health, innovator, entrepreneur. Thank you, friends.